Well, if you feel like you've seen it before, it's because you have. This video sucked. It needed a remix. The jokes were awesome. They were on point. Hell, I even tried to milk the family cat in it. But the tutorial blew. Everything was terrible about the video. So it needed a fix. So without further ado, I give you...
Digging Around the P-Trap Remix!
Ultimate Form! Dicking around the house.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm the bad boy of the bathroom. I'm dicking around the house, right? I figure you're here for one of two reasons. Either you're here because you've got a leaky sink, and if so, you haven't helped both of us. I'm the village idiot. Run screaming while you can. And two, if you're here because you're here because you like watching this stuff, you're a sick person. You need help. I'm getting old for this stuff. Kids. That's almost as bad as a rubber chicken, huh? Here's my duck plushie. The rubber chicken's on order. Putting it back together should be fairly straightforward here.
We picked up a sponsor, so I'll be right back. Hungover. Hungry. Got cereal. Got milk. Here at Mendenhall's Hot Milking Services, we've got you covered. Mendenhall's Cat Milking Service.
We grab the pussy so you don't have to.
I'll be right.
And that's how you do a P-trap, S-trap, gooseneck. I forget all the different names for the thing, but that's how you do that. It's pretty easy. Get in there, you little bastard! Get in! Get in! Get in!